The Steele's Fork Ranch is a rare income-producing grass ranch on the high-rolling plains of Colorado. The ranch is 5,544 deeded acres all in one block and has been in the same family since 1940. The pride of ownership shows in the condition of the improvements, native grasses, and improved grass rangelands. The ranch is comprised of 3,929 acres of grassland, 160 acres of dry land hay, and 1,455 acres of CRP. There are 2 CRP contracts expiring years 2020 and 2022. The ranch is located 10 miles south of Calhoun, Colorado, within 20 minutes of the Metro Colorado Springs area and 1 hour to Castle Rock, Colorado. The owner rates the carrying capacity at approximately 12 to 14 acres per cow-calf pair for the growing season. With 240 ton of hay production and the purchase of some hay, the owner estimates that the ranch should run 300 pairs. The ranch has 2 comfortable homes, a 1967 remodeled ranch-style home with 2,274 finished square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths with a full basement, and an efficient second home, new in 2019, with a 1,520 finished square feet main level, with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, and a full basement ready to be finished with 10-foot ceilings. Supporting ranch structures include an historic 1909 60 by 40-foot barn with hayloft, a 2-car garage, 4 grain bins with 7,600 bushel storage, a 42 by 96-foot equipment shed, 72 by 30-foot grain storage or equipment building, 96 by 30-foot equipment shed, a 45 by 60-foot barn, corrals, windbreaks, and a 40 by 100-foot Quonset. All buildings and improvements have been meticulously maintained. There are 2 wells and an extensive pipeline system with stock tanks that service the ranch. Substantial passive income is generated via 36 wind turbines, 2 CRP contracts, and grazing. The ranch has nearly 100% of the mineral rights and 5,389 net mineral acres that transfer with the ranch. The potential to develop the highly sought-after water resources and develop the mineral estate give this property substantial upside. For your private tour, contact Jim Digby today at 303-883-8493.